How to improve iPhone camera quality. Improving your iPhone camera quality can significantly enhance your photos and videos, and here is how you can optimize your iPhone camera for the best results. So let's get started. Firstly, ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS to take advantage of new camera features and performance improvements. In order to check that, go to the Settings app on your mobile device. Once inside the settings, tap on the General option available there. Once you tap on the General, simply tap on the Software Update option available there. Now, ensure that your phone is running the latest version of iOS, or else if there is an update option or install option available, simply tap on it and install the latest version. Now, another way is clean the camera lens. Gently wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints, dust or smudges that could blur your photos. Now, use proper lighting. iPhone cameras perform best in good lighting. Take photos in natural light or use artificial lighting for indoor shots or night mode in low light. Now tap on the screen to focus on your subject. You can also adjust exposure manually. After tapping to focus, swipe up or down to brighten or darken the images according to your preferences. If you swipe up, then it will brighten it, and if you swipe down, then it will darken it. Now you can use portrait mode for professional looking photos with blurred backgrounds. You can use night mode for low light photography and experiment with live photos to capture moments just before and after the shot. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.